Ready to skyrocket your online credibility and watch those sales soar? This is how you get ReviewSEO integrated with Google. First, log into your ReviewSEO dashboard, then navigate to the integration section typically found in the settings menu. Look for the Google integration option. It might be labeled as Google Shopping, Google Product Ratings, or simply Google. Click on it. You'll likely need to connect your Google Merchant Center account. This usually involves entering your Merchant Center ID and potentially generating an API key from your Google Developer Console. To find your Merchant Center ID, log into your Google Merchant Center account. It's typically displayed prominently in the top right corner or under the Account Information section. Back in ReviewSEO, configure your data feed settings. It ensures your reviews are formatted correctly for Google. Follow ReviewSEO instructions for this process, making sure you are providing all the required fields. Head back to Google Merchant Center and check the Diagnostics section. This is where you'll monitor the status of your review feed. It might take a few days for Google to process your reviews. Once approved, your customer reviews will start appearing in your Google search results and shopping ads. Remember to keep monitoring both ReviewSEO and Google Merchant Center to ensure everything's running smoothly.